welcome you all on yet another class, and this is our EVS class. As I had already informed you that this month, whole month we are learning. We are going to learn a very important concept, and that is food and nutrition. Okay children, so can you tell me how many times do we eat in a day? How many times do we eat? 3 times? Is that right? Do we eat 3 times a day? Okay, I'll tell you. We eat 4 times in a day. Okay, we eat 4 times in a day. One, in the morning time, when we wake up, we get fresh, and after that we eat some food. Second one, we eat during the afternoon. Third one, we eat during the evening time. And the last, we eat during the night time before we go to the bed. Okay, so these 4 meals have their names. Okay, the one that we eat early in the morning is called breakfast. Breakfast, we eat breakfast. We eat breakfast when we wake up early in the morning. Okay, and the one that we eat during the noon time, okay, afternoon, is called lunch. Lunch. Lunch is eaten during the noon time. And we eat during the evening time when we drink some tea or milk. We eat some food during the evening time, and that is called high tea. Evening snacks isn't, remember evening snacks, sometimes mama gives you evening snacks, okay, and that snacks is called high tea. High tea. The one that we eat before going to bed is called dinner. 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 Okay, now repeat once again. Breakfast. Breakfast we eat during the morning time. Lunch we eat during the noon time. Evening snacks, high tea, dinner. So what are the meals we eat in a day? Breakfast, lunch, high tea and dinner. Okay, now can you tell me what are the food items we eat for the breakfast? Okay, look at this. Sometimes mama makes idli, dosa, vada, pongal. We eat all these things during the breakfast. Okay, sometimes we eat pasta. Pasta for the breakfast. Sometimes mama makes noodles or the spaghetti for the breakfast. So all these are things we eat usually during the breakfast. Sometimes we eat paratha. Okay. Sometimes we eat upma. Okay, upma, paniyaram. Sometimes we eat sandwiches for the breakfast. So what are the pictures I had shown you? We eat during the breakfast morning time. And for the lunch time, what do we do? Our staple food is rice. So during the lunch time, we usually take rice along with some stews or the curries or vegetables. This is meal. Our meal consists of rice. Okay. So this is also lunch. Look at this. Can you see? Rice. It is called full meal. Rice with vegetables. Different varieties of vegetables, curries, stews and all. Sometimes mama makes variety of rice such as pulao, tamarind rice, lemon rice, curd rice. We eat, or a main thing that includes in the lunch is the rice. Okay. And after that comes the high tea. Okay, during the high tea, what do? We eat mini snacks. Sometimes we eat fruits and vegetables or fruit salad. Okay, sometimes we go for some junk foodies such as pani puri. We like to eat pani puri during the evening time, isn't it? Yes. Sometimes we would go with potato chips. Sometimes mama cooks pakodas, yummy pakodas. Okay, sometimes nuts. We eat nuts during the evening time. Mama gives you nuts, no? Next, sometimes we eat biscuits. Sometimes we eat mixtures. Okay, sometimes we go with the finger chips. Okay, and next, finally, before going to bed, what do we eat? We eat dinner. Okay, we take dinner. So during the dinner, what do we eat? Usually chapatis. Sometimes we eat idiyappams, and sometimes we eat chapati and dosa for dinner. Okay. Sometimes we eat different varieties of chapati, such as this is bajra ki bakri we say, that is jowar chapati. Okay. So usually during the night time, what do we use to eat? Chapatis, dosa, idli, sometimes rice. Okay. So these are the dinner things. Okay children. So these are the 4 meals we eat in a day. Breakfast, lunch, high tea and dinner. Okay children. Now it's a favorite part, that is the takeaway. Let's make a takeaway. Okay kids, take out your takeaway cover. Today I think you will be enjoying this day, because today itself we have made 2 takeaways. Okay, from your takeaway cover you have to take a food plate. This is called food plate. We are going to make the takeaway and its name is food plate. And in the food plate it is divided into 4 parts. The one is breakfast, lunch, high tea, dinner. Breakfast, lunch, high tea, dinner. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to stick the picture according to the name sticked on it. Okay. So I have some pictures collected here. This picture consists of breakfast, lunch, high tea and dinner. Okay, so what we are going to do is, so parent, before doing this takeaway, you have to buy the picture of healthy and unhealthy food. You could buy the pictures of vegetables, fruits, Indian and veg and non-veg food items. So if you buy those pictures, no, sticker model pictures, if you buy those pictures, you can get these pictures in that. Okay. So school sometimes if this activity is done in school, we would ask you to send these pictures to school. So as I said, during the breakfast usually we eat idli. So this is the picture of idli. So I am going to remove the sticker from it and I am going to stick this picture in the place of breakfast. Okay. Next, lunch. In lunch, usually what do we have? We have rice or the full meals. Okay. So I am going to remove the sticker from the picture of rice and I am going to stick it in the lunch like this. Next, during the evening time, during evening time, I would like to, my favorite high tea is samosa. I like to eat samosa a lot. So I am going to stick the picture of samosa in the high tea. Next, finally, we end up the day with dinner. During dinner, we usually take chapatis. Okay, so I like to stick the picture of chapati. Okay, if you like to stick the picture of dosa, you could stick it. Okay, so my food plate is all complete. I have sticked idli. This one is rice, evening high tea samosa, and I have ended up the day with the chapati. So you can have a closer look of this takeaway paper plate, as I have sticked a picture of breakfast, lunch, high tea and dinner. Okay parent, so like this, before doing this takeaway you have to buy the picture of food items from the shop and you have to make this takeaway. Okay, and you can stick whatever your kid like to eat during the day, during the breakfast, lunch, high tea and dinner. Okay children, so do this takeaway, take a picture of it. You could say what food you like to eat. Suppose breakfast I like to eat idli, during lunch I like to eat rice, during high tea I like to eat samosa, for dinner I like to eat chapati. Like this you could say, take a video and send it in WhatsApp group. So until I meet you in the next new day, it's your auntie saying bye and take care.